$100,000 Bitcoin. Gosh darn it, guys, it happened. It happened. Congratulations, by the way, to everybody who has been grinding through that 2022 bear market, through the 2023 insanity, through the pain of 2024, just that downtrending market for 8 months straight. You deserve this. You deserve every little bit of it for having conviction, for believing in something. You deserve the win that's going on right now. We got 6-digit Bitcoin, guys. And I know what you're thinking. That's fantastic. But 1 Bitcoin still equals 1 Bitcoin. And this is only 10% of the way to 1 million. Yeah, I know. But we're on the way. And 6-digit Bitcoin is wildly exciting. So take a moment, sit back, appreciate it, celebrate it, revel in the glory of what's happened because it's beautiful. It's been a beautiful move here for Bitcoin. And I'm very excited. It's fantastic. Let's talk about it. Let's look at the charts, guys. Gosh darn. Second day. Very exciting day. Look at this. Price of Bitcoin. Beauty. What a beauty, man. We got up to $104,000 today. Now, I've got a video coming for you guys. We just recorded it. It's going to come out in about 12 hours time, talking about how high Bitcoin could realistically go in the month of December. Spoiler alert, between 125 and 150K are not off the table. Which I know what you're thinking, gosh, Lark, we just got to 104. Can we just chill out a little bit on all these crazy? Well, this is go watch the video later on when it comes out. You'll see why. But a beautiful move here for Bitcoin, absolutely. RSI still cool down a little bit. Of course, a big move throughout the month of December. Get that RSI pumping up once again, okay? And if you look at the RSI on the weekly, tells you an even different picture. We still have a lot of fuel left in the tank. You can see back here in February, for example, from the 29th of January until the 15th of April, we had an overbought RSI. The RSI now has only been overbought for a month, okay? So here we had it happening for about 2 months. So we could still have a nice month of heavy price performance before seeing the inevitable 20-30% correction, okay? But gosh darn, it's beautiful. Appreciate it, love it. Take a screenshot, get a tattoo of it or something. I don't know. Find a way to remember this moment. And I'm happy to be here having this moment with you guys. It's been absolutely incredible. So thank you to the community, of course, for continuing to show up and support these videos. You guys are absolutely awesome. What a win. Beautiful. We got a lot of funny memes and stuff to share today. We also got some like XRP news and some meme coin news and all that stuff too. So stick around. It's gonna be a good time for that too. But just gosh darn it happened. I'm excited, guys. Hey, before we get into all the memes and stuff, real quick, if you're not signed up to BitUnix yet, go check it out. This is a no KYC exchange, so that lets you trade with privacy, no KYC, no VPN. Just come over here, do your trading, enjoy the no KYC experience over here on BitUnix. And exclusively by using the link down below in the description, you're gonna get some pretty awesome bonuses, guys. You deposit $2,000, you get $200 back. And if you want to just start with a smaller amount, you deposit like $500, get your $50 back. If you just want to test out the exchange a little bit, I've been doing most of my trading over here recently. And you can check it out. It's a great place to trade. And by the way, if you're doing a lot of trading over here, you can actually get up to 6 Solana deposited back into your account when you start hitting some bigger trading numbers here, okay? So if that's you, if you're looking for a great exchange where you can have a no KYC trading experience with deep liquidity, all the top coins, you're listing new coins all the time, all the hot meme coins and stuff like that, go check it out. Link down below in the description where you can exclusively get those bonuses. Now, this video, man. Lesson, go buy some Bitcoin, man. But seriously, I do need help. But anyway, feels like that today, man. Feels like that today. It's one of those days in Bitcoin land. This is actually funny. I posted this on Instagram back in August. July, $66,000 Bitcoin. December, $100,000. Life comes at you fast, man. Life comes at you fast. Classic, of course, too, is that now Bitcoin's going to start going crazy. Now everybody's going to be interested in Bitcoin again suddenly. Everybody's going to want to buy it at $100,000. This is the big moment. Now, Number Go Up technology got activated when we crossed over $74,000, started putting in new highs. We got huge media attention starting to come back in. We've talked about this phase of the cycle where it's at media attention. We're starting enthusiasm. We're far away from greed and euphoria. Okay, that comes later. Okay? But people are going to start showing up again. Everybody wants to buy Bitcoin at 100K. Nobody wanted to buy it at 60K. Nobody wanted to buy it at 20 or 30K with us back in the bear market. You guys remember those times? I know some of you guys have been here since then. If you're new, welcome to the party. I understand, okay? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bitcoin's very exciting. This is all fantastic. And we're probably still looking at 100% more gains throughout the cycle, which is obviously great. Very excited about that. Nayib Bukele, taking screenshots of the profit and loss of El Salvador, man. They're currently up $300 million on their Bitcoin purchases. By the way, Elon Musk coming in here saying impressive. Good job. Fantastic, man. Elon's been paying a lot of attention to crypto recently. He's been posting on Bitcoin related stuff. He's been replying to some of the AI agents that are being launched in crypto. He's paying attention. How does Elon have any time for any of this stuff? I have no idea. Anyway, 5 years ago, Peter Schiff said Bitcoin had never hit $100,000. You're wrong, Peter. You're wrong. Well, Peter's just a Bitcoin hater. It's kind of like his business model. Hate on Bitcoin, get lots of attention for hating Bitcoin. I get it. I love gold too, Peter. It's no shade, man. But one thing that I can always count on with Bitcoin is that it will make you wrong most of the time. If you say Bitcoin can't go up to you're going to be wrong. You're probably going to be wrong. And now you'll start seeing, oh, well, it hit $100,000, but it's never going to hit $1 million. Wrong. Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. Not this cycle. I don't believe this cycle. I may be pleasantly surprised and be totally wrong on that, but I don't think so. I don't think Bitcoin goes to $1 million a cycle. It'd be fantastic if it did. My bags would be super excited if it did, but I don't think it's the most likely scenario, unfortunately. 2032 cycle? Yeah. $1 million Bitcoin. I can definitely see it then. Maybe even the next cycle. Maybe. More likely in the 2030s. It's coming. Peter Schiff's going to tell you it's never going to go to $1 million. He'll be wrong again in the 2030s. We'll be here to share that screenshot when the time comes. And Bitcoin's getting attention at the highest levels all across the world. Of course, Trump's been talking about Bitcoin. Trump's saying never sell your Bitcoin. Trump's saying let's start a strategic reserve for the United States. Trump's saying let's make all the rest of the Bitcoin here. That's big talk from the next U.S. president, okay? But right across the world, leaders are paying attention. Here's Putin saying, who can ban Bitcoin? Nobody. He knows, man. Fed Chair Jerome Powell says Bitcoin is a competitor to gold, not the US dollar. Interesting. Papa Powell knows. Man. Look at that. Beautiful. Papa Powell knows. He knows what's up. He knows that Bitcoin is digital gold. And it is. Beauty. Love to see it. Jason Yavich here says, everyone's talking about Powell's Bitcoin comment, which of course is very, very exciting to see. But the more bullish take was from Citadel CEO Ken Griffin, notorious crypto skeptic. The question is, how much has crypto captured the zeitgeist of the world? And I mean, goodness gracious, it has. To not be invested in crypto, to be totally sidelined, to think that this industry is like this, to have not updated your opinion and still think the whole industry is a scam and everything's bullshit and it's all useless, it's all vaporware. Holy crap, what have you been doing for the last 10 years, man? This industry is redefining. It is the value layer of the internet, okay? And when you understand this is the value layer of the internet, how we can have verifiable proof on chain of what is where and who owns what. And of course, as AI becomes bigger, we're going to need to have verifiable proof of who owns what, or humanity and all this stuff on chain. Man, that's a whole other conversation for another video. But anyway, so Ken Griffin goes on to say, the question is, how much has crypto captured the zeitgeist of the world? Why crypto is doing well ties into why people voted for Trump. You understanding it yet? It may have a future. It does have a future. Get on board more, Ken. You have to remember, an intangible asset like this is valued on intangible aspects. It's about community. It's about standing opposed to the power of the state. Yes. People take joy in that, of course, because the state has sucked for a long time. No wonder people are excited about, putting their finger in the eye of the state, so to speak. The American people want agency of their money, and crypto is part of that. Amen to that. Think about this. Bitcoin, we know. Bitcoin, 21 million coins ever, totally predictable supply, emissions, all that kind of stuff. In 2020, the US Fed, they printed trillions upon trillions of dollars, creating a massive inflation crisis, creating a crisis around debasement of the currency. You lost, 30-40% of the value of your dollar in just a few years' time. At the same time, prices of everything exploded. Your wages didn't go up. They screwed you. They screwed you hard. And you have no control over that. No one has any control over the damn Fed. They do whatever they want. But Bitcoin, we know Bitcoin. Bitcoin's predictable. That's why we love it. Saylor reaffirms his intention to have his Bitcoin keys destroyed when he passes away, describing it as a pro-rata contribution to everyone in the world who owns Bitcoin. Now, there are people who believe in Bitcoin. There are people who have conviction in Bitcoin. And then there's whatever the hell Michael Saylor is on, because it's like next level. This dude is so committed to the cause that he's literally buying Bitcoin with the intention of taking it to the grave, literally, and burning it when he dies. You think you have conviction? No, this is conviction. That's like next level conviction, but like, gosh damn, man. You know, somebody was asking me today, like, Lark, when are you gonna sell your Bitcoin? And I was thinking, you know, what am I gonna sell it for? What am I gonna sell it for? I can hold, you know? The altcoins are all gonna be sold, man. Every single damn one of them. Speaking of which, Ethereum on a breakout right now. Let's go, ETH, yes. Got a long open on this over on BitUnix right now. Not a huge size, but you know, if it goes up and starts raging like I think it could, then it will be, you know, make some money on it. It'll be fantastic. Nice move here. This is, by the way, this orange line, this little inconspicuous orange line right here is representative of the downtrend line of a multi-year downtrend for ETH. This is an incredibly important moment right here on the chart. And big things are happening, so I hope that you're paying attention, okay? This could be the move where ETH gets back up to previous highs. We could see ETH go on an absolute runner through the month of December. XRP has chilled out a little bit after its massive run here, taking a bit of a breather. Now, we could still see the price come down a bit further. I know it might seem crazy that we go back down to $1.60 or something like that with all the bullish news that's coming out soon for XRP. But historically, when you see, and we talked about this in the video the other day, historically, when you see that kind of weekly RSI being that heavily overbought, a correction tends to follow soon after. And we did see a delay. Ripple posted this, despite the speculation, RLUSD isn't launching today. So we're in lockstep with the New York Department of Financial Services on final approval, and we'll share updates as soon as possible. Okay, so it's coming. RLUSD is coming, but it's not here yet, so keep an eye out. Real quick, some meme coin news to finish up. Hawk Tua Girl launched her meme coin. It pumped and then dumped like 99% or something like that. And just I don't know why people do this. Insiders controlled 97% of the supply. We saw a lot of people selling very, very early on here as well. That's the chart right there. Gosh darn. And I know what you're thinking. Like this guy, if you can't trust the girl who was drunk and said spit on that thing, then who can you trust? I don't even know. The world's gone crazy, guys. Look, I have no idea why she decided to launch a meme coin. Seems like a terrible decision for her brand. But don't buy celebrity influencer coins, guys. Just don't. Just don't. Has it ever ended well? Has it ever ended well? Really? And, you know, hey, maybe they come back from this somehow. I don't know. I don't really care. I'm not going to buy it. But just be careful out there, guys. A lot of people looking to get the money from your pocket into their pocket. Okay? And meme coins and all this stuff, celebrity meme coins have basically all gone down to zero within a very, very short amount of time. So, I don't know. Was there malicious intent here? It's hard to say. Probably she got taken advantage of by people who were clever and decided to use her brand to do whatever the hell this is. Don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But there's a lesson here, guys. There's a lesson here. Crazy stuff, guys. We're not signed up to the newsletter yet. Get signed up to the newsletter. It's free. You'll love it. No, serious. It's a great newsletter. Best damn newsletter of the cryptocurrency industry. The amount of alpha we provide on a week-to-week basis, the technical analysis, the altcoin deep dives. Huge value. Check it out. Link down below in the description. It's free. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.